In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Afterpay on Acuity. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that Acuity Scheduling doesn't natively support Afterpay. This means you won't find a built-in feature to directly process Afterpay payments through Acuity, but don't worry, I'll guide you through some effective workarounds. Firstly, a popular choice among many users who find themselves in a similar situation is using third-party tools like Zapier. Zapier acts as a bridge connecting Acuity with various payment gateways that do support Afterpay. Here's how it typically works. You set up a Zap, which is basically an automated workflow, to trigger whenever a new appointment is booked in Acuity. This Zap can then interact with a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal, both of which support Afterpay. It does require a bit of setup initially, but once it's in place, it can save you a lot of manual work and streamline your process. Now, if you have access to developer resources, there's another route you might consider. This involves using Acuity's API to build a custom integration with a payment provider that accepts Afterpay. This option offers greater flexibility, allowing you to tailor the system to your exact needs. However, it does require technical know-how, so it might not be suitable for everyone. If the idea of integrating Afterpay into your booking process is crucial for your business, another option could be to explore different booking systems that natively support Afterpay. Platforms like Vagaro or GlossGenius are worth considering as they come with built-in support for Afterpay, which can save you the hassle of integrations and ensure a seamless payment experience for your clients. I also want to touch on a couple of important additional tips. First, even if you're using Zapier or considering custom API integrations, remember that both Stripe and PayPal work seamlessly with Afterpay and provide a reliable option. Second, it might be beneficial to consult with Acuity Scheduling support team. They can offer up-to-date information and possibly suggest solutions or updates that could align with your needs. Ultimately, while there may not be a straightforward direct integration at this moment, with a few tweaks and the right approach, you can certainly set up a system that accommodates Afterpay. And there you have it. With these strategies, you can efficiently integrate Afterpay with Acuity, ensuring a smooth and convenient payment process for both you and your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Acuity scheduling experience.